I'm going to show you in a pot real quick. If you guys can make out four natural ingredients, we'll make it out the fastest and comment. Get a surprise, right? Yeah, man, see there. Bam! Watch it. You think I like it? Oh. Frigazi chicken, curry back ready. Curry back, rice and peas. Watch it, guys. Watch this. Straight flavor, this, you know? Season for the bone. Island bone. Alright, chassis. Yeah, man, see there. Pepper the lesser. Garlic the lesser. Good morning, good evening, good night, depending on where you guys are watching from. But today, it's of a different study. Today, I'm giving you guys a different insight. Yeah, man, today, I'm at the restaurant and I just wanted to carry you guys with me. Yeah, man, to show you guys how I prepare some wonderful meals, right? This was some peas that I put on to soak from yesterday. Watch soak up all the water, yeah, man, but watch now. And wash out the pot, yeah, man. And get the peas from the fire said time, yeah, man. Peas in the water, peas in the water. Yeah, guys, see it? These are some pimento berries, you know, yeah, man. Some people call it pimento seed. You don't know, say. No seed can get in my pot, so yeah, man. Wash up your pimento berry, yeah. Get them in a pot, yeah, man. Quick question, guys. The peas are cooked still now, but quick question. Who did know that I was a professional cook? Other than the little outdoor banter and thing, I want to know if who did know. Yeah, man. Just left that in the comment section and make me know. Thing I mean, I'm gonna drop on some beef on the fire and also I'm gonna bring while you go and guess and say me did know. Yeah, man, I put on some beef now. Just forward. Garlic in a oil a bubble. You know what they tell you say a beef a gone next, but you know so some frigazi chicken. Yeah, man, the beef still a go cook, but I just get overly excited because you guys are here with me today. Yeah, man, I'm gonna chop some chicken in the oil and also stick and stay. Some chicken is done season already, right? Yeah, man, so I'm gonna chop them in the oil here, and then I go carry on and show you exactly how it's there. Oh no this. Yeah man, cabbage, right? Then meanwhile, chicken there's fry, peas are go and boil. You don't know, so I go make some fresh vegetable now, yeah man. So I go thread them, yeah. Stick and stay. You say, me can catch the goal the chicken to a goal and pretty. Jesus Christ, I think I like art. Don't move, let me show you. Bam! Okay, you think I like it, oh? Goal, pretty me can catch the goal them. But anyways, man, I shred up some cabbage now. Yeah, man, see it there? Oh, it look. Yeah, man, cabbage squeaky clean. So I'm gonna thread them up now. Yeah, man, so it's how it been. Shoot, another thing. Alright, look at this now. Remember, I just start and look how far I reach. Yeah, man, in about 2 second time, I'm done. And show now go on again. Oh, it look. Yeah, man, cabbage done, thread this and dust. And I have some carrots and some yam some. I want sweet pepper this. I got thread and put in another vegetable. I said seed. Yeah man, don't move a muscle. Yeah. Some people call it frigazi, some call it country style, some call it fry and cook down. Yeah. But you don't know say I'm done fry now, so just I gotta add some ground season to your thing and cook it down. But watch out now. Don't move there. Let me show you how it looks so far. Before I add the scallion, onion, pepper, pimento berry. Yeah man, remember I done tell you already no seed. I no cook with seed, pimento berry. Well on that guys, I'm showing it. I'm showing it, you don't know, so I have to show you as I go because can't to wet up the camera. That's a go on a quick insight of things, right? Well on there. Yeah man, yeah, look there. Alright guys, I have a quick test. Eye test. I have a quick pan it still. I'm going to show you in a pot real quick. If you guys can make out four natural ingredients, we'll make it out the fastest and comment. Get a surprise, right? But all participants have to be from Jamaica. Yeah, man, see there? Quick and fast. Four ingredients, peeps. I get a chance to win. Catch a bubble there. Jesus Christ! As I said before, guys, it's just a quick insight of what's been happening on our day-to-day living, right? Showing you guys today that I have a restaurant. But anyways, look. Bam! Vegetable done this, so I'm gonna cover it down and put it in the fridge to chill. And then me just take some boops and get some, what call it? Some coconut on the way. Yeah, man. So now go see when the ninja blender rev out. Boom. Coconut. Boom. Blender. Get it on the road. Butter bubble like a chicken gravy. Butter bubble like a chicken gravy. No gravy this here, peeps. A sauce. Sauce boss. Guys, done what you call that? Blend the coconut and thing. In a second, I show you how it look. Yeah, man, much a charge sweat. The heat wicked in the kitchen, guys. Them say, if you can't, you call it, manage it, you stay with the kitchen, but you have to go and manage it. Duh. Yeah, man, see there. Custard there, guys. Yeah, man, this are the coconut. I go juice it and put it in the freezer. And now, yeah, man, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, guys, basically, the chicken here finished cook. I bring one and show them it still. Yeah, man. See there. Tomato berry then there so leave a goodness there so goodness there so no goodness there so yeah man so I'm gonna get off this now and put on some curry back. Yeah man, stay tuned for that. Yeah man, peas done cook. So just go ahead and add the coconut juice. So peas. Also peas with nothing alright so peas I tell you. Coconut milk in a pot. That's someone bring me close so I can see it still. Coconut juice in a pot. Mm-hmm. Yeah man, see look there. As I said, guys, we just are going to quick, quick insight on what I'm going to do. But one of the day them, we will definitely carry you through the complete process from where I go town, from where I go market, from ray to ray. Yeah, man, I'm going to do man right through that night through. Chicken back well seasoned. I left on the fire already still, but you don't know, say, everything did prep from a week, huh? I was just a cook today. See it there? Chicken back. Uh, Guys, suppose I'm not gonna smell this now. Yeah, man, rice and peas and chicken back to the 5 minutes today. Stew beef, frigassy chicken, fried chicken. Yeah, man, the whole work. The time about now, the time about after 8 in the morning, you know. Yeah, man, what the people them love the rice and peas early. You have to give it to them, though. All of them, eh? How we are going to use in the mm, red rice pot today, though. Some pepper for this bowl and three scotchy, onion, scallion, or some people call it, what do they call it? Spring onion, yeah. And some thyme. Yeah, man, just ketchup back when that time, you hear that? At this time, you know, when that time, you get them in a pot, boom. Well squeaky clean. Come on, put them in a pot, you know, guys. Yeah, guys, the rice pot a bubble, chicken back a bubble, you know what I mean, watcha. Yeah, man, fiddle have some nice natural juice on the ends as well. So this one apple, best flavor still. Beetroot, best flavor. Yeah, man, have some all this now. Jumbelin and what's the other one called? Yeah, man. mango carrot, best juice in on the ground. I tell you, but hold on there guys, don't move a muscle. One sec. 1 second. Yeah. Still here? Yeah man. This way I'm gonna beat you right now in the early morning. Sorrel mango. Hear about sorrel mango? Alright, try mango beer. Ease off some of the little sun out there though. Mm-hmm. Wow, fresh. Island bone. Alright, chassis. Get us steak. Like this one. Wow. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Red rice of bubbling up come along. One, two, three, four scotchy. Mm-hmm. Yeah guys, so time is now. Get in the rice in a pot now, right? Come on as you guys, let's see. I was washing it already. Get it in now. Mm-hmm. Yeah man. Rice in a pot. I'm gonna get off the chicken back off of the fire now. And then get on the stew beef. Stew beef moment. Oh, so I chuck some garlic in a pot there so it go on burn, right? Yeah man, have me done till already. Have everything purple and ready, but as I said, the next insight we are gonna bring another the meat shop when everything are diced and sliced, carrying around a coronation market, carrying over women, carrying all when you support a little restaurant them in a town here. Yeah man. Gonna see exactly what them are going to do. Yeah man, but actually look good. Yeah man, see there? Beef nice, 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 nice. Time to drop it in an aisle, huh? There's the sizzle guys. Watch this. Straight flavor this one. I'm gonna store it here now. Yeah man, I finish steam out now. Yeah man. Store it and make it on the steam. Yeah man, catch on back in a sec. Mm-hmm. No, I like it still. No, no, sorry, I'm gonna cut this camera, but cut it and then don't store it and make it steam out properly. Mm-hmm. Food all red rice. Here I go now. I come in, I go check on the beef. So much water it spring on it one, right? Yeah man, come in I could just look on the flavor here. Wow, guys, the flavors. Mm-mm. Wow, looking good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. If you can, yeah, if you buy, yeah, can do that, yes. Yeah, man, 850 you want to? Frigazi chicken, curry back ready. Yeah, guys, see this? About, about 10:30 I'm ready. Rice and pizza sell like, oh, already. Yeah, man. Running, give God thanks, don't. Yeah, man. Without God, this would be possible. Yeah, man. I show no for the rice pot rich. Yes, you're on gravy. Half out there. Yeah, man. Look here. Curry back, rice and peas. John, know, guys, place get busy just require so much. But I'm going to show you exactly where I reach now. We have some island eye pot with some scallion, some pepper, some garlic. All works. So the fry some chicken on the 11 o'clock. Pepper the list, garlic the list. Right now, scallion the list. The ones I'm going to drop some chicken and bubble out. Mhm. Yeah, guys, see that? Chicken, I'll take a deep dive.
Yo, give thanks and praise to the Most High today, Friday. We're then at the One Martel TV restaurant upstairs. So we're having a little drink, a little smooth drink for just wash off a little chest. 'Cause I don't know, say we not dust on that day. So I take a little hot chat with some white rum. Milk and white rum. But yes, for all, right now, me I big up the one man, Bridget, Lasco, as you know, as the silver, out on the road. And this morning he went on the road and little fall, miss accident, miss gazing, make no accident. Whole line front wheel lick off, clean, clean. So you have to done now. Big up yourself, Big Mike. Don't stress it out and with that. So just start out yourself and come back up strong and running. Straight, one love. One Martel TV. One love is saying so in the next episode, we don't know where we're gonna be. So I'll learn after just subscribe and subscribe and watch what I go on. And don't get on the unit system be. Yeah. That's when you don't see nothing yet. So just make on the unit system. Be strong.
Yeah.
Rasta is still here. We're not running anywhere.
Yeah.
We're right here all the time. But some of the time we are so busy. So
True.
don't know.
Yeah, that may explain to them and I
Yeah.
tell them this morning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
busy. So you
Yeah.
don't know if our day busy. They all over the country. From Montego Bay to your town, back at town, Clarendon, back at town. They don't know. Straight up.
Yeah, so we have now few little food left to sell,
Yeah.
and then wash up, call it a day. So you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Just a go on with a jar and just take care of yourself. One
See
love.
it? Straight. One love for the restaurant and that's it. One Martel TV restaurant. If you don't come now and by say 2:30, food done. Yeah, so me no want no.
Yes,
Up
tell
and
them.
running, food done. That is a food that they cook it done in a people. People themselves call in and food gone.
Yeah.
Now stay.
Yeah.
Right. Up and running. Straight love. Subscribe. One love.
Yeah. This is where the video come to an end, you know, right? Because as I told you before, this was just a little insight of what's going on our day-to-day activities, right? Just continue to like, comment, share, and go and support the channel.